Hi everyone, we are Eva and Tanishka presenting to you a really interesting mathematical model. In this video, we would be providing you with an intriguing mathematical reasoning behind the occurrence of the major world event, the World War I. So its main reason were the internal disturbances and the shifting alliances in the ancient Europe. But let's look at it from a mathematical point of view. So Germany, Russia, Britain, France, Italy and Austria-Hungary were the major countries involved in this. As you can see, there are 4 hexagonal diagrams depicting these unbalanced alliances, and the green lines depict a positive one, whereas the red lines depict a negative one. Let's look at the first hexagon. There are 4 red lines, which means a negative 4, and just 3 green lines, which means a positive 3, which sums up to a negative 1. In the same way, the second hexagon also has an outcome of negative 1. Following the same pattern, all the hexagons result in a negative number, making our point more stronger that these negative number patterns are the reason why the World War I was caused. So because of this, World War I was sure to happen.
Now, let us take a look at the situation of one of the strongest countries out of all these, Germany, through the given graphs. World War I had a devastating impact on Germany. We can see it in the first graph that before the war, Germany was a leading industrial power with a huge GDP of $309.8 billion, but it sharply declined during the war. That was from 1914 to 1918 to a mere GDP of $217.8 billion. This had a direct connection to their army. We can see in the second graph that the army developed over time to 11.3 million people, supported by the huge GDP. But later, their army sizes also decreased drastically to 4.7 million as war had a severe impact, and they couldn't afford putting new lives on risk. Through this model, we understood that the alliance system and the effects of war. This is how we relate math and history, through graphs, shapes, and numbers. I hope you all understand that maths isn't just a subject. It is all around us, representing the way of the world. Thank you.